In the realm of contemporary philosophy and environmental studies, few concepts have captured the imagination and provoked intellectual discourse as powerfully as hyperobjects. Coined by philosopher Timothy Morton, this term refers to entities or systems so vast in scale and distributed across time and space that they defy conventional modes of perception and comprehension. Before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. It truly helps us grow. Now, let's get started. Hyperobjects challenge us to rethink our understanding of reality, transcending the confines of localization and inviting us to engage with the profound interconnectedness of the universe. This review embarks on a journey through the labyrinthine ideas of Timothy Morton, as presented in his seminal work, Hyperobjects, Philosophy and Ecology After the End of the World. We will delve into the core tenets of the concept, explore its implications for contemporary discourse on climate change, delve into its cosmic dimensions, and finally, contemplate the profound philosophical questions it raises. 1. The genesis of hyperobjects. To comprehend hyperobjects, we must first trace its origins to Morton's philosophical framework. Timothy Morton, a scholar renowned for his work in the fields of object-oriented ontology and ecological thought, introduced this concept as a means of grappling with the profound ecological and existential challenges of our time. Hyperobjects, he argues, are entities that are inherently mysterious, existing on a scale that renders them largely imperceptible to human senses. A key element in Morton's conceptualization of hyperobjects is their temporal and spatial enormity. These objects, whether it be climate change, nuclear radiation, or the global financial system, transcend our conventional notions of size and scale. Their impacts ripple across millennia and extend far beyond the scope of immediate human experience. Morton posits that hyperobjects are not just ecological phenomena but also philosophical constructs that compel us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos. 2. The ecological implications of hyperobjects. Timothy Morton's emphasis on the ecological crisis is a rallying cry for a paradigm shift in our approach to environmental issues. Hyperobjects, as he defines them, embody the inescapable interconnectedness of all life on Earth. Climate change, the quintessential hyperobject, vividly illustrates this global interdependence. Climate change's far-reaching impacts underscore that ecological crises transcend political borders and temporal boundaries. It disrupts ecosystems, endangers species, and threatens the well-being of present and future generations. Morton's call to transcend localized thinking resonates with a sense of urgency in addressing these challenges. Traditional environmentalism often grapples with the symptoms of ecological degradation rather than addressing their root causes. Morton's perspective encourages us to recognize that addressing the ecological crisis requires a holistic, global perspective. It's not merely about reducing emissions or protecting a specific habitat. It's about reimagining our relationship with the Earth and acknowledging the complex, hyperconnected systems in which we participate. By framing ecological issues as hyperobjects, Morton challenges us to confront our role in the web of life. We must move beyond narrow, anthropocentric views and adopt a planetary perspective. This shift encourages cooperation, international collaboration, and innovative solutions that consider the intricate ecological tapestry in which we are all woven. 3. Hyperobjects in the cosmic context. Dark matter's elusive nature mirrors the inherent enigma of hyperobjects. It exists beyond our sensory grasp, yet its gravitational influence shapes the very fabric of the cosmos. Morton's cosmic extension of hyperobjects prompts us to contemplate the limitations of human perception and the vastness of the unknown that surrounds us. Furthermore, within the cosmic context, hyperobjects raise profound questions about our place in the universe. Are we, as inhabitants of a tiny blue dot in an incomprehensibly vast cosmos, insignificant in the grand scheme of things? Morton's philosophy encourages us to embrace the paradox of our existence simultaneously infinitesimal and interconnected with the cosmic order. In contemplating the universe as a hyperobject, we confront the boundaries of human knowledge and the humility required to navigate these cosmic waters. Our scientific achievements have unveiled the wonders of the cosmos, from distant galaxies to the subatomic realm, yet vast realms of the universe remain shrouded in mystery. Hyperobjects remind us that our understanding is always a work in progress, and our knowledge is inherently incomplete. As we gaze into the night sky, we are confronted not only with the beauty of the cosmos, but also with its impenetrable mysteries, from dark matter to the enigma of the multiverse. In conclusion, Timothy Morton's concept of hyperobjects extends far beyond the terrestrial concerns of climate change and ecological interconnectedness. It beckons us to embrace the cosmic perspective, challenging our preconceptions about reality, knowledge, and our place in the universe. The concept of hyperobjects serves as a powerful reminder of the boundless frontiers of human inquiry, inviting us to venture into the cosmic unknown with wonder and humility. 4. Philosophical reflections on hyperobjects. Morton's exploration of hyperobjects is not confined to the empirical realm, but also delves deeply into the philosophical and metaphysical dimensions. Hyperobjects, he posits, disrupt our conventional notions of space, time, and being. They call into question the very foundations of human knowledge and perception. One of the key philosophical questions raised by hyperobjects is the nature of reality itself. Are these vast, distributed entities more real than the localized, tangible objects we encounter daily? Morton suggests that our traditional categories of reality must expand to accommodate the ontological presence of hyperobjects, challenging us to rethink the boundaries between the real and the hyperreal. Another profound philosophical inquiry engendered by hyperobjects concerns the nature of agency and responsibility. If these objects operate on a scale that transcends individual and even generational lifetimes, how do we navigate our ethical obligations toward them? Morton's work leads us to contemplate our place in the web of existence and our moral responsibilities to both the local and hyperlocal. In Hyperobjects, Philosophy and Ecology After the End of the World, Timothy Morton invites us on a philosophical odyssey that transcends the boundaries of traditional thought. His concept of hyperobjects challenges us to confront the ecological crises of our time with a new perspective, one that recognizes the profound interconnectedness of all things. As we conclude this review, we find ourselves at the crossroads of ecological awareness, cosmic contemplation, and philosophical reflection. Morton's hyperobjects beckon us to embrace the complexity of our world, to navigate the enigma of existence with humility and curiosity, and to reimagine our role in the vast tapestry of the universe. In the face of climate change, environmental degradation, and existential uncertainty, the concept of hyperobjects serves as a potent lens through which we can view our world. It urges us to move beyond the boundaries of our individuality and engage with the hyperconnected reality that surrounds us. In doing so, we may discover not only a deeper understanding of our planet and cosmos, but also a path toward a more sustainable and harmonious future.